Why'd you buy this junk?
Yeah, why'd you buy this shit? You said you didn't want it and you still bought it.
Nah, they gave it to me.
I got all over my trailer.
What's it? Power steering leaking?
Yeah, this shit's like falling now. And I think it's connected to the trans. The trans felt like we're slipping.
It can't be connected to trans.
Tripped right out of here. All the way right here. It must be a trans line or power steering line, something. They got no power steering at all. Then I got there, the battery's completely dead. I forgot my jump box. I had to go to AutoZone, buy jumper cables. Then it wouldn't start for like 45 minutes. I had to sit there with the battery thing on for it to get it to run.
Well, maybe you should be more prepared next time.
And then I get in it, start it up. It has no power steering. I can't even turn the damn wheel.
Well, you always should take your jump box with you.
I forgot it because it's inside the garage.
Yeah.
I had to spend $40 on jumper cables.
Take them back.
I burned them.
Oh my God.
I'll just keep them in the truck in case. It's dirty my trailer a lot.
You should have just pulled it up on a winch.
What battery?
Put the battery box on. Stop screwing around. You've been screwing around for a year already.
It's cold outside.
It wasn't cold outside a year ago when you got the trailer.
Now my trailer's all full of power steering.
You'll be all right. That's part of doing it. That's part of being a transporter.
I'm a transporter.
You're a transporter today.
This trailer ain't made to tow junk. Oh shit.
It's $500.
Huh?
It's $500.
Yeah, it needs to go to the junkyard.
Oh well,
Junk.
it'll be all right. We'll get $1,500 for it.
It's got no power steering.
All right. Well, it's probably a rusty line. That's all it is.
Steering hard as shit. You can't even turn it.
Because you're weak. Well, that is a real raggedy pile of shit, though. It's missing half the dashboard, ain't it?
Beneath.
Why'd you buy this junk?
Yeah, why'd you buy this shit? You said you didn't want it and you still bought it.
Nah, they gave it to me. I didn't want it, but they still gave it to me. Oh well. I'll turn lemons into lemonade. Go ahead. Leave it running. Let me see where it's leaking from.
Gas.
Turn it on.
Probably leaked everything out of it.
It's probably power steering fluid. Check the training. Check the training dipstick. It's probably power steering fluid.
The
Huh?
line.
Power steering line?
Yeah. The
All right.
training line.
A training line?
Yeah. It probably got a power steering and trans cooler together.
It should not have it together. They have separate coolers. Just pull the right there, the yellow one right there. The yellow dipstick right there. They never combine the power steering and transmission together. No, it's power steering.
It feels like it's slipping though.
It might slip, but they never combine them together.
Right.
All right, take that battery box off.
Ain't got much gas.
I'm just gonna go around the corner real quick. be either $12.99 or $14.99 after I fix the line. Not a big deal. Oh, God. Alright, shift through all the gears. Motor sounds good. Alright, it is what it is. I can jump it for like $700. It actually runs alright. It shifts through the gears. It probably needs a little bit of fluid. It needs a power steering line. But just put this junk in the back with the rest of the junk, and I'll deal with it once we sell a couple of other trucks. It's alright. It's $500. The fuck. If I sell for $1,000, I sell for $1,500, I make $1,000 or close to it. So, Jersey, look at this. Somebody needs a cheap truck though. They'll buy it. We could actually sell shit like this around here because most of the cars are ragged out already, just like this. So, there you have it, guys. This is probably going to be one of my worst purchases so far, but it's going to be a win situation because it runs and drives. Worst case scenario, I sell for $12.99. Most likely it'll be $14.99. I've sold worse. Just got to do work, which I don't feel like doing. And this is a weird one because this is 7 lug, 2, 4, 6, 7. So this is the rare. Well, I think they're pretty rare. I think it's 7700. Yep, F150 7700. So it is what it is. It's going to be entertaining because it's going to be crying the whole time because it doesn't have any power steering. You're weak. Turn the wheel all the way that way. Thought you said you were going to work out. There you go. Supposedly there's a video of you lifting 175 pounds like you diesel. Yeah. Whoa. Weak. You're weak.
Please charge it in time.
You're too far out. You're too far out. Get it closer. Get it. Pull it up. Get it closer.
I don't want to hit that.
You'll be alright. Just cut it and get closer. Alright, go ahead. Keep going back. Go ahead. Go all the way back till you get to the fence. Go ahead. Alright, stop. Now cut it. You got it. Just go. You got it. Just cut it. Cut it hard. Stop being a girl.
Please charge it in time.
Turn the steering before you hit the gate. Go ahead. Stop. Stop.
When it sits still, it's too hard.
All right. Turn the wheel that way. Hold up.
Please charge it in time.
God damn. Just turn it. Shut up. Stop crying. Get it the fuck done. Stop. Now turn it all the way the other way. This guy. Like a girl.
My arms, my hands.
All right. I need your help.
charge it in time.
You didn't hit the gate yet. Come back. Just come back. Yeah, turn it. Try to turn it. Yeah, just go back. I'll tell you when. Go ahead.
Please
Go ahead.
charge it in time.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop. Turn it the other way.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.